today we are at the Budapest Kaledi station in Budapest, Hungary. We're going to take a train to Vienna, Austria, taking the OBB Railjet train. If you do enjoy my content that I post, please make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And if you want to, press the notification bell because my Europe travel vlog series will go on for another handful of videos. So anyways, enjoy the rest of the video and thank you. We just arrived in the Vienna HBF station. It's really nice here. They have lots of restaurants, but also the design here is very beautiful. And in Europe, you usually find a lot of beautiful architecture. We decided to take the tram here in Vienna. It costed us about €8 for a 24-hour pass, and for a single ticket here it costs about €3. It is day 2 here in Vienna, Austria, and like we did in Budapest, Hungary, we're going to take a hop-on, hop-off bus, as usually it is the best way to get around and see a lot of places without spending too much money. This is the St. Stephen's Cathedral here in Vienna, Austria. It was built in the 12th century in 1137, and it's a really stunning piece of architecture in my opinion. This is the Schönbrunn Palace. It opened first in the 1700s, and this is where the French Queen Marie Antoinette spent her summers. This is the Belvedere Palace in Vienna, Austria. It finished its construction sometime during the 1770s, and it is also a museum. This is the Austrian Parliament building in Vienna. It finished its construction in 1883, and its Greek style was responsible because of Theophil Hansen. This is the Volksgarten, which in English translates to People's Garden. It's a public park here in Vienna, and it's a part of the Hofburg Palace. And that's the end of my Vienna, Austria vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed everything in the video. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave it down below in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end. As always, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of my videos. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.